The health benefits of honey for men, women, and children. That is what I want to share with you in this video. The health benefits of consuming honey. This is honey, and this is the one I use for myself. So I want to share with you the health benefits you are going to derive from taking honey as a man. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join us by subscribing. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a good content like this, you will get notified and be the first to watch my video. So thank you once again. Now, as a man, you need the best state of health. Use honey. And as I am making this video, I am coming up with powerful benefits you are going to derive from this. That is honey. Number one, to boost up your immunity. Yes, if you have immune system that is not working for you, or your system is not perfect, or is not in order, as you consume honey, it will help you to boost up your immunity and make you to be in the perfect state of health to perform well as a man. Number two benefit of consuming honey is that it helps you to fight diseases and germs in your body system. Yes, because it has the ability to destroy some bacteria and infections that may disrupt your immune system. As this honey has the ability to boost up your immunity, that means it has the ability to fight germs and diseases in your body system. So if you are the type that you always experience infection or germs in your body system, consume honey. It will help you to fight diseases and germs in your body system. Number three benefit of this honey is that it aids in digestion. Yes, if maybe you are finding complications within yourself, or there is complication after eating, you don't have a good digestion after you eat your daily meal, endeavor to consume honey. 1 teaspoonful is enough. You can put it in a water, stir it and drink it. It will help you to gain a proper digestion as a man or as a human being. So anytime you have complication after eating, please endeavor to consume honey to have a good digestion. Number four benefit of this honey is that as a man or as a woman, it helps you to boost up your sperm count. Yes, or it helps you to make your sperm thicker and stronger. So if you are the type that always experience watery semen or watery sperm, with this you will start having a thicker semen or a strong sperm as a man or as a woman. So try it. You will see a changes in your semen or sperm. Number five benefit of this is that it improves your fertility and help you to stop impotency. Yes, for those that are unable to conceive or unable to cause pregnancy, try this. By the grace of God, God will improve your fertility and you will start conceiving, and you can no longer experience impotency. So this will help you to improve your fertility and help you to stop impotency in your life. So make sure that you consume honey as much as you can. By the grace of God, you will see yourself being the best version of yourself. So this is what I want to share with you in this video. Apply it in your real life. By the grace of God, you will never remain the same. So thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, you will be the first to watch it. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. I wish you the best. I wish you good luck, and I wish you good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.